Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. So in this video I'm going to show you guys time farm daily farm oracle questions and the answer. So let's go straight into this one. So as you can see right now, all you need to do once you're here is to make sure you upgrade your watch. If you have the money, make sure you upgrade. This is what I'm using currently. That's why I can be able to earn more every single day. Go ahead and claim after the farming session is done. Make sure you claim. Very important. Claiming it, just click on it, and then once you claim, just click on start. Now you can see I've started farming this right now, and it's going to take up to 6 hours, and I'll be earning 20 times more. Okay, that's just basically what you need to be doing every day, every 6 hours actually. So let's go straight into the questions and answer. Click on over here where it says N, just right here. Click on N, and you can see today's oracle of time questions. So the question here right now is, when was time farm launched? So I'm going to input the answer right now and just follow exactly what I'm going to put. Click on this calendar icon here. So we're just going to go ahead and just select 5th, and then click over here and adjust that to June of 2024. So it's meant to be in this order. It's meant to be June 5th 2024. Guys, that's the answer. If you just know that is the answer. Let's go ahead and just check the dates if we're correct. So as you can see, congratulations, you answered the question correctly. Come back tomorrow when there will be a new question waiting for you. Now go ahead and just claim your 100,000 of this, and as you claim it, that's everything. See you guys in the next video, and peace out.